couple of things going on here today. What we're doing is we're going to reclaim all this topsoil. Two of my new raised beds are going to go in there. And that's the topsoil that I am reclaiming. In its place, alright, so they're all in. All sitting on good drainage. And started filling this one. Going out to the property today to get some rotten logs to fill them mostly up. And then soil back in that I dug out. Yeah, you have to help. I know you're eye candy, but you still gotta help.
Oh, all right.
So this is where the bank beaver was last year, and this is a hole that they made. I don't know if high water or high ice caused it, but they're sliding in and out of this.
That's bigger than it was last year.
Yeah. And then you see here, they pack mud up here, and then they put their lands scent in there. That's just kind of a territorial thing with the mud there.
Oh.
You can see it over on this other one. You can tell he's really using this spot.
How do you tell?
You can tell over here.
Oh my.
He's got the mud packed over there.
Yeah, that's
There's some fresh chew there.
Oh yeah, that's right too, yeah. What a change from 3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
2 weeks ago? I think he's behind us. Well, they're saying it's a El Nino summer coming. Hot and dry. You little critters. Can you get across?
bridge in here.
Yeah. Then we get on that other 17 acres.
When you cool your water down.